Hello! In previous video we have created a category ID parameter and also added to the data set where we have this category. If we run it, Microsoft Report Builder asks us what value we want to use for the category ID. Let's say 4. View the report. And as you can see, only the category ID 4 is shown in the report. But how we can use this within Microsoft Excel? Let's go and open our My Report Excel workbook. Go to the main menu. Let's click on the Open main menu. And let's try to run this report that now is having and that is demanding a parameter for the category ID. And when we try to run it, the virtual form control is showing us an error. There was a problem getting the data for this report. No value given for one or more required parameters. Okay. And the report viewer control has thrown us also an error. The category ID parameter is missing a value. So, as you can see, we can use this but when we are creating reports without parameters. But when we are creating reports with parameters, we need to add at least 4 lines of VBA code. Let's go and do this. Close this. Close the main menu also. Let's add a new Excel worksheet. Now we have this worksheet 1. Click the Developer tab and let's insert an ActiveX control button. Click on it. Draw it here. Okay, now let's double click this command button. And because the virtual form control is hosted in this form, FRM VF1, we need to call this FRM VF1. FRM VF1 dot SSRS. We need to provide the report file name. SSRS report file name is equal to, and between the double quotes we need to tell the virtual form control the name of our report, including the .rdl extension. Let's select it, copy, and let's paste it here between the double quotes. Next, FRM VF1 dot FRM VF1 dot SSRS. Now we need to clear all parameters that could maybe be present from the previous report. Next, FRM VF1 dot SSRS parameter add. We need to provide the parameter. Space, parameter name, between the double quotes, the parameter name is the category ID, and the value of the parameter also between the double quotes is, for example, 6. And at the end we need to FRM VF1 dot SSRS tell the virtual form to show us this report. So now we have passed to the virtual form control the report file name. We have also cleared all possible previous parameters. We have added a new parameter, category ID, and tell that the value is 6. And we have also told the virtual form control to show us the report. Now let's go and try it. Let's save it. Close the VBA editor. Let's exit the design mode and let's click on the command button. And as you can see, we got nothing. Let's go and see how many categories do we have. Categories? Oh, we have only 5 categories. Okay, let's go to Developers tab, Visual Basic, and let's tell that we want to show us the category ID 4. Let's save it. Close the VBA editor, go again to the sheet 1, and let's click on the command button now. And as you can see, our Paginated Excel report is showing us a category ID 4. If you have more than one parameter, then you will go here and also add this new parameter. For example, product ID. Product ID value, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this report, we only have one parameter, and this is the parameter called category ID.